Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Boxycharm, my August Boxycharm, which is in an Ipsy box, and there it says Boxycharm. And this is for August. And let's see what's in it. How Boxycharm works is you get 5 full-size products. They choose 2 for you, they call them power picks, and then you get to choose 3. So this is what it looks like when you open it. This is a collapsible box, which is great for recycling. It's nice and pink in there, and I have a cat right here, so we might hit the cat a little bit. And for August, it is the Beauty Olympics. Here we go, Boxycharm, the Beauty Olympics. If I could speak, it would be nice. Ace your routine with our beauty VMPs. And in this brochure, you have some of the items that were the power picks and things like that. They talk about the Olympics a little bit. Limited edition mystery bags are up for sale right now, that kind of thing. And then on the back, there is a sneak peek of September's choice lineup. So, okay. And also talks about the icon box, the legends for the icon box. All right, Blue is in a different box. So, all right, let's see what they sent me. This has little to no stuffing in it. I have 2 palettes in here, so I hope they're okay. I really don't understand why they don't take a little time to put a little bubble wrap in there. This is what's in the bottom, so hopefully that did some good. All right, so they chose for me, the first product that they chose for me is Keys Soul Care, and I do like anything from Keys Soul Care that I have tried. This is the Firm Belief Smoothing Peptide Cream, fermented astragalus root and snow mushroom. I've been hearing more and more about how mushrooms are really good for you, whether you eat them or whether you use them on your skin. This is a $40 value, and it is, let me open it. The top is sealed, so I'm going to attempt to remove it from the bottom, or I'll just cut the seal, but I think I can do it. Maybe not. It's got this nice, this is nice. See, this has some extra packaging so it won't break, because this is glass. Well, yeah, I do think it's glass. It's beautiful. It's hard to tell because it looks dark, but this is a very beautiful purple glass. Very, very pretty. Gently massage onto cleansed skin to enhance the ritual. Recite this affirmation. Oops, it doesn't say the affirmation. Okay, usually there's an affirmation on these packages from, all right, anyway, let's see what it looks like. It has a nice seal on it. This is one of those that has a little thing you can pull tab. It doesn't have any scent, and it looks very, very nice and rich. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I did have, this is a different cream, but I did have a different night cream, or just maybe it wasn't night cream, but it was nice, but it was just okay. You know, like compared to other ones I've tried, it was good, but it wasn't, you know, anything spectacular. Maybe this will be. I do like the Key Soul line, like I have said. $40 value for that. And then they sent me this palette. This is from Ofra. This is the Mini Mix Face Palette in Unconditional. That's the name of the palette. And let's see, this is a collaboration with Hot Mess Mama. Hot Mess Mama is a YouTuber, I do believe. Y'all, I'm not up on that stuff. I'm not a big fan of Ofra because of their political views mostly. You know, this is what they chose for me. I didn't have a choice. But here is Rhonda, the Hot Mess Mama. There she is. And then she collaborated with them to come up with these colors. And this is, the Ofra palettes are nice. They have this, the way this plastic is. See how that is? It does have the names of the colors on them. but instead of just being a little piece that will fall out, this is very pretty. It has a highlight. This is their signature impression. It has a highlighter and a blush, and then it has, and a bronzer, and then it has these 8 colors. This one's a shimmer, the rest are knots. They're really very pretty mattes for the fall. I think it's a beautiful fall winter palette. And there are the names to them on there. And that has a value of $39. So those are the 2 picks from them. You know, see, 2 full size. And then I got to choose. My first choice was I could pick a vacation brand, SPF 30, which everybody raves about. I guess it smells just like you're at the beach. I do have a vacation product, and it smells wonderful, but it's not this one. And there was Amica brand texture spray, which is for your hair. And there were 2 lippies that were the Buxom Plump Shot. I have a Buxom Plump Shot, and one of them looked to be this color. I don't know if it was this color. This is called Dolly Babe. There were 2 light colors, and this is, you know, people love this. If you like this kind of thing, people love this. This is a plumping lippy. So when you put it on, it is, I don't like the way it feels. And it takes a while for it to go away. But the color is pretty. I have worn it before. I've worn it on camera. But there were 2 different colors to choose from. And then what I chose, which was this Il Makiage. This is a mineral-based highlighter. And the reason I got this was because it's Il Makiage, which is an excellent makeup line. And this has a $40 value. And there's the packaging, and very chic packaging. And then, oh, this is, look how pretty this is, y'all. How pretty that is. It's rounded. And it is in, it says Halo is the color name. It's made in Italy. Mineral Baked Highlighter. So this is a huge highlighter. It's very beautiful. I smell everything. I don't know. It's very beautiful. You know, it's domed like a lot of the baked products are. So I bet that is really nice. I have too many. I hardly use highlighters, and I have several open, so I'm not going to mess with this one. Maybe I will in the future, but at the moment I won't. Whoops, unless I stick my finger in it, which I don't think I did. Okay. Okay. It has some lines on it, but that's just part of the baked product process there. So very beautiful, very pretty packaging, $40 value. My next choice, I could pick the brand Everden Cleansing Oil, which is very nice. Trust Fund Beauty, they had Lipgasm. I think that was the name of the color, a lippy. There was Pinrose Rollerball perfume. There was Fleur and Bee, an eye cream. I have way too many eye creams. There was a Style Dry, I think was the brand name, watermelon hair product. And then one I chose, which was this, and I forgot to, this is the BYOD makeup brushes. This is the 3-piece face brush set, $38 value. Y'all, I have a million brushes, but I do like to put brushes in giveaways. So it's nice to have. Well, there you can see that they have a cover on them. There's a face brush. There's this is probably maybe for highlight or so. And I'm not sure. I'm not sure that it's too tall for your eyes. So this is a, well, it says it's a face brush set. Does it tell me what brushes are in here? There is the foundation brush, the powder brush, and the blush or contour, whichever you'd like to use them for. So very pretty. They are, they have a black handle with the gold emblem on them. Pretty packaging. So that's what I chose from there. And $38, I think I told you that. And next up, the last product that I got to choose, what I got to choose from was Contact Skin and Eye Stick. And y'all, I think I told you recently, I don't like eye sticks. Sometimes I try them because I might use them as a eyeliner, But basically an eye stick is for you to put eyeshadow on your lid. And I have trouble doing that. A lot of times they don't swipe. They might swipe on my hand, but they won't swipe on my eyelid. So I really don't care for them. There was a primer, a face primer. There was a lip potion, K-Boss NYC lip potion, which was a, looked like a lip oil or something. Context Skin brand bronzer, and Lovecraft Beauty brand a lip liner. And I have a dozen lip liners, and I hardly use lip liners. So I chose this. This is by Farrah. This is a gel eyeliner duo. And this is $28 value, so $14 a piece. The colors are Absolute Black and Burnt Purple. So let's take a look at those. I have way too many eyeliners also, but with the choice of things, that's what I decided on. Here they are. This is going to be your typical black. I have Farrah black liner going right now. Might even be the same one. They make a lot of different ones. This is, I don't know if it's going to turn up or if it's going to sharpen. But, you know, pretty packaging. And then the purple one is pretty too. Let's see what it, I'm not going to swatch it right now, but it looks very similar to the package. So I do like purple liners, so I may keep it, but I have to see what I have because I may already have, I believe I have a purple eyeliner open. So I'm not going to use those right now. So that is my Boxycharm, y'all. That was a $28 value. And then I've also been getting the Beauty Boost. So the Beauty Boost is $15, and you have to be getting Boxycharm to get the Beauty Boost. If you get the icon box that comes out quarterly, you still get the Beauty Boost with your icon box, but they take away your Boxycharm. They move you up to the icon box for for that quarter. So I did get the Beauty Boost, and I got what they chose as the main Beauty Boost, which is a Natasha Denona palette. Oh, this has this on here. That is nice. I am hoping it's in good. My camera cut off there. Natasha Denona. This is a palette. We'll open it in a moment. I was going to tell you what the other Beauty Boost choices were. They choose one, and you can change it if you want, but that's what their recommendation is, and in this case, it was this palette. They also had the SL Miss Glam 6 brushes, a face brush set of 6 called the Macaron set. Beautiful, because each one was a different pastel color. Very, very pretty brush set. There is Tula, an exfoliator by Tula. Nice tube of that. Polite Society had an eye palette that we've seen recently in Boxycharm in the sales, and I think it was in a box or two ago. I just have never received it. There was R&Co color protector, which is a hair product. And there was Kate Somerville. Really hard for me not to choose this Kate Somerville. It was an eye cream, but I have so many eye creams. I just adore Kate Somerville, and I want to try her whole line. But Natasha Denona won out. So let's look at this. This is called the Love Face Palette. It's an eye and cheek essential, and it's very beautiful. I've seen it, and it's valued at $62. I paid $15, and they do include it in here, so you don't pay any shipping or anything. This is, look at how shiny that is. You can see my window off to the side. It does say ND there. Love Face Palette. Very hard to show you because of the metallic pink. And it has a nice magnet closure. And when you open it, I do love, they put, this is, I'm so glad it's not broken, because I've been told by a couple of you that yours came broken and they didn't have any more. So I'm glad mine is not broken. The way it was packaged, though, I really wish they'd take a little more time to pad the boxes. This is beautiful. They put this on the mirror, which is so nice. I honestly never take that off the mirror because I never use the mirror. Except maybe if I traveled with this, I might use the mirror, because that's when you need a mirror. At home, I have a mirror that I use. Okay, Blue, hang on. This is really pretty, the way that they put this palette together. So, Mr. Needy Boy. Okay, so the way that they have this palette is there is this plastic here that opens up. There's a little piece right here. You open it, so it protects that. You have a blush and a highlighter, and they're beautiful. And then that'll close to protect them. And then you have these 5 eyeshadows. So we have 4 mattes and 1 shimmer. And let's swatch real quick. There's only 5 to swatch. I'm not gonna, well, I could swatch that as well. These are beautiful. This blush, oh, the blush is creamy. I did not expect that. Let's see, and the highlighter, I'm not sure if the highlighter is creamy. But oh, it does say under it, cream blush and then dream glow. That's what these are called. Oops, you can't see them very well on my light skin. They're light as well. I mean, I don't have anything to, can you see that? There's the highlighter. Very, very light. You know, you can build that blush up. And then we have something on the, let me see. I'll try to do these, okay. How the palettes work for Natasha Denona, you can refill these, if you can see. You can refill them. This is called Esme, Juliet, and Aiko. Very, very pretty, y'all. Very pretty. And I did not bring, I have a towel over here, but I didn't bring a, they're very, very light. Hopefully I won't get that too. Oh, that's pretty. And then this one is Affinity and Giddy. This is a very nice travel palette, I think, for, you know, daytime. Those are very pretty. You can do a lot with that. Very pretty palettes. So that is, you know, it's Natasha Denona. Would I have bought this on my own? I can't afford to buy Natasha Denona, but if I could, I don't know. If I was loaded, yeah, I would. But because I want all of her palettes. But it wouldn't necessarily be my first choice because I like the shadows. I like, you know, 15 shadows in there. But this is just nice. It's great for traveling. I will use this when I travel. So that is beautiful. So I will take pictures of the things and put them on Instagram if you'd like to see what I got. And thanks for stopping by to see my Boxycharm. And y'all have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.